Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook egg korma. So this is the new recipe and I'm going to make it in very tasty and easy way. So here are the basic ingredients which you have to take firstly, and I have given some important kitchen tips while boiling egg, while frying your onions and tomatoes in between this video. So you need to watch this video till the end for the important recipe tips. So guys, let's see the ingredients. Firstly, I have taken 3 eggs. We need to boil them firstly. Here I have taken curd, 1 large tablespoon of normal curd I have taken here. This is onion, 1 tomato and 1 onion for 3 egg korma, and 2 green chilies, and 5 to 7 cloves of garlic, and this is soya sauce, and this is vinegar. So let's start this. And before starting this video, get my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it. You can follow me on Twitter also, and you can like my Facebook page Damini's Kitchen, and you can subscribe from the red button given below. So guys, let's start making it. So here firstly I am boiling the eggs. For boiling these eggs, I have taken 2 glasses of water here, and here I am adding a pinch of baking soda. After adding baking soda, your eggs will not split. So you can add salt also, but baking soda is most preferable than salt. When a little bubbles appears on this, then I am adding our eggs. Be careful while adding. So guys, after the first boil, when the water is properly heated, then cook it on medium flame. Then I will lower the flame and I will cook it for 10 to 12 minutes only. And after that I will serve them in cold water. So when a first boil appears, then I will lower the flame. Now you can see that a boil appears, and then I am lowering the flame. These are due to the baking soda. This foam is due to the baking soda. So guys, wait for 10 minutes. Now you can see that I have properly boiled these eggs and I have peeled them, and these eggs are properly cooked and not broken from any side. So guys, you can see that this is the benefit of adding baking soda. Here I have made the paste of these onions and some chopped onions. This is tiny chopped garlic, and this is green chilies chopped. This is finely chopped tomatoes. Here I have taken a pan, and after heating I have added oil into it. I have added your mustard oil. You can add any oil you have, and then I am adding cumin seeds and a little turmeric powder in this. When it becomes light brown, then I am adding finely chopped garlic. Then chopped onions. I am not adding paste firstly. Firstly adding chopped onions, a little chopped onions. When they become light brown, a little light brown, then I am adding onion paste. Now we need to cook this properly. Fry these onions. You need to fry these onions till they become brown and oil appear on it. So fry them. Till our onion get fried, I have made a center cut in this eggs like this, and from this top with the help of knife I have made them center cut. Need to apply the center cut like this. Okay guys. Now you can see that the color of onion gets changed properly. Now I am adding tomatoes and chilies also. After 3 to 4 minutes, I am adding 1 by 4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 by 4 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 by 4 tablespoon of cumin powder, and 1 by 4 tablespoon of coriander powder, and salt according to taste. I am adding here approximately half tablespoon of salt. And now mix these spices. When you take spice while we are frying onions, add spices after adding tomato. This is the basic tip of making any vegetable fry. Now it's time to add soya sauce. I am adding 4 to 5 drops of soya sauce and approximately 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then mix it. You can add milk while making it. I am adding only a little water so that our paste will make thin. Making it so that our tomatoes get cooked properly. That's why I have added water. When these tomatoes get pured, like they become like this puree, then we will add curd into this. Press them and like this. Now these are cooked, and now I am adding curd into it. And mixing it. This will give a great color and taste to it. We need to cook them properly. And giving one tip more, I have added salt before this curd, but you can add salt after adding this curd. So this is also an important tip. I have added curd at last, that's why I have added the salt before, but you don't need to add salt and curd at the same time. After the first boil of curd, then you will add salt. After 5 minutes, the color of korma get appear. This is the color that a korma should look like. So guys, I'm giving you another tip. This is crushed egg. You need to add this crushed egg, boiled crushed egg into this curry to make it more thick. You can add simple normal egg without boiling if you want to make curry in another way. So I am here adding boiled egg, crushed boiled egg. This is an important tip to make the curry thick. So here's the korma, and I am adding crushed egg. You can add directly normal egg if you do not have boiled egg. So you can see that our egg curry get thick. Now after this boiling, I'm adding our boiled egg. I have taken 3 boiled eggs, and this is also an important tip. You need to add like this. Okay guys, you cannot add like this. The benefit of adding egg in this way, that this white portion will get mixed, this yellow portion like yolk will get mixed into this curry, and this will make it more tastier. So our egg korma is ready to serve. Now you can subscribe my channel from the red button given below, and you can follow me on Twitter also from Damini's Kitchen name, and you can like my Facebook page also, Damini's Kitchen. And guys, please subscribe my channel, and you can see my other videos also. I have given many of the links and thumbnails in the last and in the cards above. And now we need to switch off the gas flame, and we can serve it with chapatis, naan as we want. So this is ready. Guys, thanks for watching it.